Ladies and gentlemen, today we've got you a tapioca masala salad. This is a vegan recipe and I hope you like it. This is also known as pindalu in South India and it is a South Indian delicacy. Let's get a little olive oil, probably a spoon or two. Add capsicum, onion, and salt until golden brown. Let's go ahead and mix half a lemon juice to the boiled tapioca we've set aside. Let's now mix chaat masala, dry mango powder and salt to taste. Now let's go ahead and add some dark soy sauce and mix it well. This is it, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go ahead and add the tapioca into the salad and mix well. Also add a crushed garlic to make this even a better experience. And make sure you serve hot, ladies and gentlemen. Have an awesome day and stay fit.